Welcome back, guys. Today's video is for people who have just bought their first new mirrorless camera. I want to show you how to get it up and going and the mode I recommend you shooting in. So the first thing you want to do is you want to take your memory card, looks like this. You want to put it into your camera only. Do not put it into your computer. You want to scroll through your menu system. Different menu systems are going to be different. Otherwise, I'd tell you exactly where to go. But you want to find where it says Format Card. You want to hit Yes. Once the card is formatted, you're ready to roll and shoot pictures with this camera. Take your lens. Now, there is a dot on the front of your camera, a dot on your lens. You just line those up. I'll put it up close to my microphone so you can hear it click. All right, there's the click. Now, once you've got that in there, I want you to shoot in what's called shutter priority mode. I know 90% of YouTube photographers are telling you to shoot aperture priority mode, but the problem with aperture priority mode is if you get into low light, it'll drop your shutter speed and you'll have a blurry image. So to avoid that for a while, don't get me wrong, I love aperture priority mode. I shoot it a lot, but just beginning, I think you're safer in shutter priority mode. So whatever you're shooting at, if you've got a 50mm lens on there, set your shutter at 100. If you've got a 200mm lens on there, set your shutter to 200. So double the focal length of whatever lens you're using. That way you won't get any blur. So then go ahead, just take your picture, shoot a few pictures around, goof off, have a good time, enjoy it. And then after you've shot a few shots, if you want to flip over to aperture priority mode and dial that aperture down to 2.8, f4, whatever you got, go ahead and do that and have fun with it. But I think shutter priority is the safest way to get you started. When you're done, cut your camera off, take your memory card out, put it into your computer or your card reader, wherever you're reading it, download your pictures that way. The camera or the computer will ask you, do you want to format the card? No, do not format your card in anything other than the camera that you're using it on. Don't format it in the computer. Don't format it anywhere except in the camera that you're using. So with that said, guys, I know that was very basic. I just wanted to help some of you guys that are just getting started brand new into your new camera, walk you through that. I know that seems super simple to 99.9% of all you guys, but there are a few people that may be a little confused on that. So I wanted to clarify. I want you to shoot in shutter priority, and I don't want you to format your card anywhere except in the camera that you're using. So with that said and done, go enjoy taking pictures and drop me a note at the bottom. And if you have any questions, my email's at the bottom also. Feel free to send me an email. I'd be glad to help you guys out with any way I can with your photography taking abilities. If you got a problem, we'll figure it out and get you taken care of. So give us a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Y'all have a good day. Hey guys, I just want to take this second of your time. If you guys would please hit like and subscribe, it would go a long ways toward helping our channel and help us keep making these videos. Thank you.